15 ways to actually make money online. How many videos are there about making money online? Thousands? Millions? Enough? Probably. But there's a problem. Most of them are just sales pitches to convince you to sign up for some seminar, webinar, training session, or some other way to become an online millionaire, overnight, without work, on autopilot. Be real, please. There are legitimate ways to make money online. The problem is that the real ways to make money aren't get-rich-quick schemes. Most of them require a lot of work and sometimes a lot of dedication before seeing a return on your time. But if you really want to make money online, work from home, or turn an idea into a business, you can do it. You can even earn money with apps if you don't want to venture all the way to the computer. Number 1. Inbox dollars. Inbox dollars is similar to swag bucks, since you're going to be taking surveys, shopping, etc. So if you want to maximize your return, sign up with both websites. They also offer a search engine that pays you, like Swagbucks, and you get $5 just for signing up. I won't continue to list survey sites one after another down the list, but if you want to get paid to take surveys, also check out Global Test Market, ePulse Surveys, and Survey Club. Number 2. Project Payday. Project Payday is one of those sites that has testimonials of people who have earned thousands of dollars by getting paid to get trial offers. I'm not saying you'll earn thousands, but it is legit and you can earn some extra cash. They assume that by paying you to do a free trial, you'll either like the product and purchase it, or forget to cancel the trial and get charged for it. If you can keep track and cancel before you get charged, if you don't want the product, then it is a great site for making some money. Number 3. User testing. User testing pays $10 a pop for testing websites. A test usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. The purpose is for a website owner to watch someone who is new to their site try to navigate it. The value that the site owner gets by watching an actual user experience is worth a ton, but $10 isn't a bad payout. Number 4. Fiverr. Fiverr is a great place to make a few bucks or spend a few bucks if you need some of the services people offer. Basically, everything is $5. You either pay $5 or charge $5. They call them gigs. You can offer your services however you choose. If you sell art and you're fine selling pieces for $5 each, that's a gig. If you're a graphic designer and you want to offer your services for $10 per hour, simply offer a 30-minute gig. If they need 2 hours of graphic design, they pay you $20 or $10 per hour by buying 4 gigs. Number 5. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the most popular ways to earn money online. Many successful freelancers can earn an average of 50 cents to $1 per word. Some are earning twice that. Number 6. Sell your stuff. Ever since the idea of online auctions came into existence, the online selling market has been on the rise. Many are interested, but don't know how to get started. It's a lot of free info online on how to start. Do your research. When you're ready to start selling, here's where you go. 13. Amazon. Have you heard of FBA? It stands for Fulfilled by Amazon, and it's getting pretty popular. Basically, you buy products, in bulk is best, and ship them to Amazon for them to store. When your products sell, Amazon packs them up, ships them out, and sends you the money after taking their cut. There are people making a full-time living from FBA, while others just do it for some extra money. 14. Craigslist. Craigslist is a great place to go. It's simple to list your item, again, take good pictures. If you don't like the idea of putting your phone number out there, the interested individual can send you a message to your inbox without even getting your email address. 15. eBay. Of course, you can't read an article about making money online that doesn't mention eBay. You can start an eBay store and get serious about it, or you can just sell some stuff to declutter your home. Either way, I've made my fair share from selling on eBay, and it's still a popular way to earn money. 16. Etsy. If you like to create arts and crafts, you can sell them on Etsy. It's completely free to open an Etsy store. You simply sign up, post pictures of your creations, and start selling. You can choose your payment option, but PayPal is generally the easiest. Etsy makes it easy to sell and keep track of your inventory. There is a small listing fee, and they take 3.5% of every sale you make. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is practically the holy grail of blogging. However, it works only if you have a significant amount of traffic to your site. In most cases, you'll need at least 30,000 to 40,000 page views per month for it to work. But as your traffic grows, your affiliate marketing revenue can skyrocket. Affiliate marketing works by writing a product or service review on your website. The company behind the product or service has an affiliate program. Trust me, there are hundreds, probably thousands of companies that do that, under which they'll pay you each time they make a sale from a referral from your website. Number 8, sell digital products, yours or someone else's. This, of course, is more what the internet is all about. The beauty of selling digital products is that the customer places the order and the product is delivered to his or her own computer or smartphone automatically. Once you get this up and running, it's virtually effortless. Digital products can be how-to guides, tutorials, ebooks, or even templates for money management, investing, meal plans, exercise routines, and checklists. Number 9, live ops. Live ops is a call center that allows you to work from home. Once you're set up to take the calls, you can begin making a weekly schedule and working from home. The pay is generally close to $10 per hour, but you can earn more with commissions. Number 10, online surveys. An increasingly popular way for students to make money is to fill out online surveys in their spare time. Research companies are always recruiting new members worldwide to answer surveys and test new products. For a few minutes of form filling, you can make a couple of quid, which is paid as cash or rewards. You can bag up to £3 or $5 for some surveys. Number 11, paid for searching the web. Interested in earning cash for doing what you already do online? This has to be one of the easiest methods of making money online without really any effort or change in your behavior. This innovative idea by QMe.com rewards you for searching in Google, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, and eBay. You just install a simple add-on to your browser, and when you conduct a search, there may be a few sponsored results alongside your normal search. Number 12, start your own website. Interested in generating passive income? You need a website. It's the way to make money while you sleep. Starting a website with Bluehost takes less than 20 minutes, costs hardly anything, and can be done by an 82-year-old. It only takes a bit of plugging on social media to get your first visitors, and there are plenty of ways to monetize your site. Number 13, become a click worker. The clickworker.com concept is based on internet crowdsourcing, where businesses advertise specific, scalable tasks they need completed quickly. And for us, it's an easy way to make fast cash from our couch. Number 14, buy and sell domain names. A domain name is just a website address, e.g., savethestudent.org or mysite.co.uk, and there are lots of extensions, .com, .net, .co.uk, etc. They cost as little as 99 cents to register with GoDaddy.com, yet premium domain names can fetch thousands, if not millions, when sold. In 2007, vacationrentals.com went for a cool $35 million. Number 15, sell your photos. If you think you've got a good shot and a little creativity, try uploading your photographs for free to stock websites. A good starting point is Adobe Stock or Getty Images. Make more money selling photo subjects that have fewer search results but you would feel have some demand. It might be a good idea to test them out in print first yourself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe channel for more update.